Good morning and welcome to your House Assembly on today, Friday the 13th of November. On days like today, I usually pull out the same old assembly about fear of Friday the 13th, and I know the Yates's boys and Mr. Young in particular love to see me struggle with the pronunciation of the scientific name of fear of Friday the 13th, but to be glad to hear that today I'm not going to use that assembly. Instead, we're going to again say thank you to all those who took part in the pumpkin carving competition, and I'm displaying on the screen at the moment the top 9 pumpkins as voted for by the housemasters. What we then did was ask the heads of house and senior prefects to vote on which they thought was their favourite. And the results were as follows. In first place was Luke Bull. Second, we had George Orchid. And in joint third, we had Alex Taylor and Corbin Giles. Well done to those 4 gentlemen, and a prize is on its way to you. And again, a big thank you to all those who took part in the house competition. And over to Mr. Cupid now for some more exciting house news.
Gentlemen, hope you're keeping well. This week represents the return of house competitions. So guys, what we're going to do, within your PE classes, we're going to have a focus on our mini Olympics. Our mini Olympics are going to take the format of our track and field events. So, to summarise, we have a 50 metres, 150, 300, a 600 and a 900. Okay, so that's going to suit our sprinters and our long distance. Again, guys, always just a bit of fun, but let's get a bit of competition within that. Our field events, we're going to have a standing broad jump, we have a standing triple jump, and we also have a tennis ball throw. Okay, so focus very much on getting everybody involved, and obviously trying your best as usual. Okay, so the way the house points will work, we will have standardised scores or targets for each class. And if you hit those targets, so say your time gets underneath the designated time, then you will get a house point. Okay, so very much fun related. We're glad to be back within a house competition setup, and this is the focus for the next sort of 3 to 4 weeks. Okay, let's give it a blast, get involved and enjoy it. Hope everybody's well.